Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Bank of America mobile banking app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Bank of America Mobile Banking. There you can see Bank of America Mobile Banking. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. With this app, you can manage your Bank of America banking and your investing account all in one place. Once the app has been installed, open Bank of America app to manage your Bank of America account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.